Hello everyone, first of all, welcome, a warm welcome from Vishwakarma Expression Hub or VEH as we call it. Now, we know that it might be very overwhelming with all these new beginnings, so much to explore, so much to learn, and to top of it amongst such uncertainties. But don't worry, you all will do really well. We all did. We are here for that very reason. We are here to make your life even more interesting and even more vibrant.
See, this age is all about adapting to a change, and that's what Vishwakarma Expression Hub is. A change from your daily schedule, a touch of art to your technical minds. Vishwakarma Expression Hub is the official art club of VIT Pune.
What do you mean by art? Drawing, painting, craft? Well, yes, but art is not just about that. Art encompasses a lot of other things, and so do we. So VH is a club for aesthetics, poetry, literature, graphic designing, videography, video editing, and so basically it is an umbrella for all of these topics.
To be very poetic, VH add colors to life through these domains of art. Extracurriculars किसे नहीं पसंद, फिर चाहे वो technical हो या non technical. Clubs are all about it. The domains that we mentioned, you might be interested in some of these, right?
VH तुम्हारे लिए है, a club that enhances your personality in many ways. कैसे? देखते रहो, जैसे जैसे क्लब के बारे में पता लगेगा वैसे वैसे इस सवाल का जवाब भी मिल जाएगा।
VH ना सबके लिए है। अगर आपके पास कला है तो हमारे पास उसके लिए मंच आहे. जर तुम्हाला काही शिकायचं असेल तर आम्ही आहोत. जर तुम्हाला काही शिकवायचं असेल तरीही आम्ही आहोत. आणि अगदी तुम्हाला लाईक माइंडेड लोकांसोबत राहायचं असेल तरीही आम्ही आहोत.
We basically are a new club that started in June 2020. So you see, VIT did not have any club for graphic designing, aesthetics or video editing until VEH. Yes, there were many portfolios for the same in many clubs, but that was only related to club or the event work of the club and not specifically the domain.
For these and further for domains like literature, there wasn't a club or a platform where people could learn about this, where beginners could freely share their work in these domains and maybe get a feedback or even criticism about it.
VIT needed a community, a single umbrella for well-versed as well as beginner artists, and hence VEH happens. And since VEH started its journey, we have reached newer heights. Now, let's have a look at our experience, events and campaigns. Q, देख रहे हो ना?
Joining VEH changes your perspective. Dynamic set of people you find here amazes you. You feel proud that you are one of them. After going through some of the most creative and tough to crack interviews and tasks, trust me, it's a fit. Even for the domains like social media, management, research, community, the uniqueness, creativity and self-growth we have is just mind-blowing.
Talking about the events, the major event that we conducted was Expressions of Life, an annual interview series which celebrated the scraping of Section 377. We interviewed some of the eminent personalities from LGBTQIA+ community, that is Mr. Suresh Ramdas and Mr. Shyam Kannar, who were both Mr. Gay India title holders last year, and Reet Singh and Ankit Das this year. They talked about their journey so far and also about the issues in LGBTQIA+ community.
Through such initiatives, VEH not only focuses on its domains, but also the power these art forms hold, the strong content delivery that we believe in. So the next event we conducted was Catharsis in collaboration with VIIT Poetry Club. VIIT Poetry आणि VEH या दोघांमध्ये रंगलेली ही कवितांची मैफिल. या मैफिलीत प्रत्येक कविता अप्रतिम होती आणि या पहिल्याच इव्हेंटसाठी आम्हाला कविता रसिकांचा भरपूर प्रतिसाद मिळाला.
Towards the end of the academic year, with some top-notch content and some awesome campaigns on our grid, we came up with a campaign event that would include all other events.
The first major wave by VH, Tarang. As the waves on a tranquil pond fade away after a while, they bring peace to their surroundings. Tarang was all about these waves of different art forms like Mukta Chanda, fluid art, Tohe, graphic design, photography, and mandala art. In this initiative, Tarang, we sought guidance from expert artists and presented a series of amazing video tutorials to revive these art forms.
This year, after Expressions of Pride, we had an amazing art event, Aurora, the Dawn of Creativity. A one-of-its-kind event and an evening full of fun learning and coalesce of creativity. 4 amazing workshops, Doodleverse, Shutterbugs, Triveni Sangam, and Graphic News. And oh, did I forget to tell you, it was absolutely free, and we got an overwhelming response for it as well. And we don't just limit us events to the students of VIT. You won't believe about 50% of our attendees for Aurora were non-VIT.
आता VAच्या छोट्या कॅम्पेन्स बद्दल जाणून घेऊयात. Impressions is the platform for all the artists to share their artwork irrespective of their expertise. Their artwork either gets featured on our page or they receive a feedback.
So the next one was the prompt wall. This was again an initiative to share an artwork. This declared every 15 days and best among all artworks were featured on our social media page.
And our very recent campaign, Snippets. Snippets was an initiative to familiarize our community with different and unknown art forms ranging from cubism art to astrophotography. We displayed the information regarding the same on our stories.
Inktober. Many of you might be familiar with the term Inktober, creating art for 31 days of October based on daily prompts. Well, surely seems a tedious task. We managed to post all the 31 artworks received on our page and posted all of them, and this is the longest streak of posting any club has ever done. Pretty cool, right? This invited the contribution of 80 plus artists.
Talking about some of the highlight content bits that go with our domains on the grid, we had some of this. The first being the Mandla Art Series. VH ने एक मंडला सिरीज करायचं ठरवलं. मंडलाच्या माहितीसोबतच कलाकारांनी आमच्या सोबत शेअर केलेल्या सुंदर सुंदर मंडला आर्ट पीसेसना सुद्धा VHच्या इंस्टा अकाउंटवर पोस्ट केलं गेलं.
इसी प्रकार at the beginning of this academic year, VH covered हिंदी स्टोरी सफर. सो सफर एक लड़की की कहानी है जो अपने मंजिल को पाने के लिए कुछ भी करने के लिए तैयार है. So we have posted this story in 6 different parts on our Instagram page, and we have made it using line arts in graphic designing. So VH moved ahead with such a original content and made it grand.
World Art Day was a story campaign where we introduced our community to some of the rare art forms like Batik art and Wali painting. We also had a campaign with our community where they shared their best artwork and some of them were featured by us.
वर्ल्ड टुरिझम डे निमित्त बस काय नावाची एक कॅम्पेन झाली. त्यात सगळ्या फोटोग्राफर्सनी आपण काढलेले फेमस टुरिस्ट प्लेसचे फोटोज, ऑसम फोटोज शेअर केले होते. सो अशा छोट्या छोट्या गोष्टींमधून आम्ही आमच्या कम्युनिटीला इन्व्हॉल्व करण्याचा पूर्ण प्रयत्न.
All these events and campaigns were organized to give the art community a platform to learn, grow and explore. So there was a need to move a step further and create a community where equal give and take could be ensured.
That's when in March 2020, we launched our community WhatsApp groups, our community platforms of each of our domains, and these groups currently have over 300 plus art enthusiasts who share and appreciate the art itself. If you are a person who admires art, you surely should be part of our community group, and you are always welcome. You just have to fill the forms through our Insta bio.
VH bloomed out of VIT Poet Society and now it has evolved into an umbrella for all the other art forms. So VH मध्ये तुम्ही तुमच्या डोमेन व्यतिरिक्त भरपूर काही करायला शिकू शकता. जसं की मी स्वतः कविता लिहिता कधी एक्सेल शीट मध्ये परफेक्ट झालो, मला माझंच कळलं.
Not just Excel sheet, we also have expanded our knowledge in different domains of our club, which has helped me and the other team members of the club as well to learn new things and grow personally as well. Let us hear from our team about their personal experience with this club.
I consider myself extremely fortunate and proud to be a VHR. I have become so much mature and responsible from the work I have done so far. The people I have worked with help me to become an extrovert, to work upon my ideas, and to work on my abilities as an extremely introverted person. The work perfection I have learned from VH is something I could not learn anywhere else, not even in an institute.
My experience with VH has been nothing less than magic. A dream of having a perfect team to becoming close friends now. So in VH, I went from becoming a novice management head to becoming a better lead. This is because we always strive to be as perfect as we can. VH is more than just a club to me now. It is my family.
About my journey in VH, it's my family. What's more to say? I joined VH to improve my photography skills. Since then, I will be always praising myself for making that decision. Event photography wasn't just my cup of tea, but this trip showed me the unexplored side of photography, for which I will be eternally grateful. I consider myself fortunate to be among those enthusiasts.
I joined VH last year
has been amazing. VH truly gives you a creative freedom and also teaches you how to stay by the rules. It is an eccentric club, kind of an enigma, and yet its elegance and simplicity is magnificent. Talking about team bonding, well, we personified that term. Whether or not you're a people's person, the team will always be there for you.
Since the very beginning, I was underconfident about myself and my skills. But VH gave me a platform, the platform that trusted me, and thus led to my development personally as well as in terms of my writing. All after this transition, I can proudly say that it is an honor to represent such a beautiful family.
I was there as a rookie, recruited as a social media head last year for the club. Since then, I've learned many things and evolved into a different personality. This is how differently we do things at VH. I'm an example of the fact that VH give opportunities and rightfully recognizes each and every member. Eventually, it comes down to one single question: what is VH to you, and how much you've transitioned it and for it?
Even though it was brief, this was the memory lane of VH, consisting of both work and joy. We've all grown emotionally and academically during our time at VH. We hope this journey was insightful and mesmerizing for you as well, because experiencing those events ourselves was astounding.
So, online mode didn't hide it from us. From having a late night meets, endless conversation, making new friends, planning offline meets, sending and creating memes and stickers, or we would. I mean, we are crazy. Not really.
अगर तुम लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि यहाँ टाइम पास होता है, तो ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. एक इवेंट या कोच के पीछे there's tons of planning and hard work involved until it reaches perfection. We mean it. I am an editor here, and the last approved version of my video was served as final Aurora 2.mp4.
So basically, at VH, we bond like a family, but we work like professionals. And there's also this so-called policy that does not allow us to fight. So, yeah.
Already बहुत time खाया है तुम्हारा, but lastly, we hope you had a great time experiencing, enjoying and learning. We hope you join VH as a community member or a team member. If you have any questions about our club, you already know our social media handles. And see, I had a lateral entry here and still I can't thank enough for being here. You have a great chance, great opportunity, don't miss it. Be a magic of this ASAP.
It will never be just about your skill. It will help you to improve and add to what you just do. You will get a sense of purpose here. An art club is an engineering college. You will say what purpose you will ask. And trust me, even a 4 hours long video won't be enough to explain that.
All you need to do is trust the process with VH, enjoy it and see it and yourself grow. We are speaking all this out of experience. Trust us, we are eager to meet you.
Join us in any capacity that you can. It will not be a roller coaster ride as they say, but it will be a ride through an amusement park. Whatever you have to offer, we accept it and guide you through it. See you around, find us and join us.
So yeah, that was it. You know, before we get started, I never really thought that the family would go so strong. I mean, the vision for the club was clear, the methodology was clear, but all these awesome memories, all the people, all the extraordinary talents really added to it, and I'm really grateful for it. And it never ends. It hasn't ended even for the last year people or people who left the club. They truly never left. They are still there with us. They joke with us, they laugh with us, they bond with us, and they admire how VH has changed them and how they have changed for VH, how they've grown for VH. And that for me is the true magic of VH, the true magic of Vishwakarma Expression Hub.